Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing well. In this video we will learn how we can shut down the computer with the shortcut key. So let's start now. Shortcut key is used for saving the time and we can utilize this. Here is a shortcut key you can utilize and shut down your computer within a seconds. So let's start now. How it can be used? You can just press Window plus X. This bar will be open and you will press double U. Okay, I think this is very helpful for you and you can understand how can we shut down our computer within a seconds. So just I am repeating this shortcut key. Just press Window plus X and then press U at 2 times. Okay, the window will be shut down within a seconds. Okay, I think this video will be helpful for you, and share it with your friends and subscribe, like and comment my channel. Stay blessed.